The following is a selected video from masterthecontent.com, where you will find an extensive video library of lectures for a variety of standardized admission tests. We offer over 600 hours of detailed video lectures for a multitude of standardized tests. Use our interactive in-lecture table of contents to find specific topics of interest. Work through numerous in-lecture examples to help you internalize concepts. To learn more, visit masterthecontent.com. Your career, our passion.
And we are going to examine yet another principle of this class of compounds, which is hydrogen bonding and dimerization. So the carboxyl group is dipolar. So what does dipolar mean? Dipolar basically means it's got two polar functional groups. It's got two polar functional groups. And as you can see, we have one right here, so that carbonyl group, and then we have another right here, which is that hydroxyl group. Now, if you recall your very, very basic chemistry, electrons or different atoms will have different electronegativities. And for that reason, an atom that is more electronegative or more electronegative than another will pull electron density towards itself more strongly than the other atom will when it's bonded to it, which is exactly what happens in the case of the carbonyl group and the hydroxyl group. Oxygen is much more electronegative than carbon, so it will pull electron density away from the carbon atom towards itself. That will result in the creation of a partial negative charge at the oxygen and a partial positive charge at that carbon right there. Similarly, oxygen is a lot more electronegative than both carbon and hydrogen, so the oxygen of that hydroxyl group will pull electron density away from that carbonyl carbon, and it will also pull electron density away from that proton, that hydrogen right there, resulting in yet another partial negative charge at that oxygen atom right there, and another partial positive charge at that hydrogen. So why is all this important is a question you need to ask yourself. So dipolarity is actually pretty important, and it plays a significant role in the physical properties of acids, and we're going to see what role it plays in coming slides.